Before you step into those stilettos, watch this and save your ankles. If you've ever admired someone gliding gracefully in heels and thought, I want that, you're not alone. But here's the truth no one tells beginners. Wearing heels is an art. It takes practice, patience, and the right pair. Whether it's for a wedding, a night out, or just to elevate your look, there are essentials you must know before stepping into those stilettos. Let's break it down and save your ankles from disaster. Not all heels are created equal. Your first pair should not be 6-inch stilettos. Start small, go for block or kitten heels. These offer more stability and are easier on your feet. Once your balance and confidence improve, you can gradually work your way up. Jumping into sky-high heels too soon can leave you wobbling and discouraged. Give yourself the grace to learn and grow 1 inch at a time. Heel height isn't just about looking taller, it's physics. The higher the heel, the more pressure lands on the balls of your feet. That's a recipe for pain. Stick to 2 to 3 inch heels at first. As your feet adjust, you'll learn what height feels right for your comfort and stride. Remember, confidence comes from how you feel in your shoes, not just how they look on you. A good fit is everything. Heels that are too big make your feet slide, causing blisters. Too tight, and your toes will scream. Look for a snug fit where your heel doesn't slip and your toes can wiggle slightly. Try them on at the end of the day when your feet are naturally swollen. Add gel pads or grip inserts for extra comfort. These small tricks can make a huge difference. Posture matters more than you think. When you wear heels, your body shifts, so you need to shift with it. Engage your core, pull your shoulders back, and walk with intention. Take shorter steps. Keep your knees relaxed and let your hips guide your stride. Think graceful, not rushed. It's a full body motion, not just a foot skill. Walk tall literally. Break them in first. Don't wear brand new heels to a party. That's a painful mistake. Instead, wear them around the house on carpet or for short walks. This allows your feet to adjust and the shoe to mold to your movement. A little preparation saves you from blisters and regrets. It also builds your confidence before facing the real world in them. And here's a secret. Pain is not a requirement. There are comfortable, beginner-friendly heels out there, like platforms, wedges, and thick block heels. They offer support and balance, while still giving you height and style.